Hi guys, this is the Python series. Now let's discuss about the different types of modes in file handling. W mode creates a new file with a specified name if no such file exists. Okay, it will override the file if any file exists. The file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. I repeat it again. W mode creates a new file with the specified name if no such file exists. Okay, it will overwrite the file if any file exists. What is the position of the file pointer? At the beginning of the file. Okay, so what is the role of the append mode? Append mode creates a new file with a specified name if no such file exists. It appends the content to the file if the file already exists with the specified name. Okay, the file pointer position is at the end of the file. Okay, I repeat it again. Append mode creates a new file with a specified name if no such file exists. It appends, okay, the content to the file if the file already exists with the same specified name. What is the position of the file pointer? At the end of the file. Okay. The third mode, X mode, creates a new file with a specified name. It causes an error if the file exists with the same name. The file pointer is at the beginning of the file. I repeat it again. X mode creates a new file with the specified name. It causes an error if the file exists with the same name. The file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Okay. Now let's see this example. Here I have used the open inbuilt method to open this file with this mode. Okay. So we already discussed about the open inbuilt method. Okay, so this open inbuilt method returns the file pointer object. FPTR is the name of the file pointer object. Okay, here I have used the write mode. So what is the role of the write mode? It creates a new file with a specified name if no such file exists. Okay, it will override the file if any file exists. That's it. The position of the file pointer is at the beginning of the file, isn't it? So, if this file is already present, means what will happen? The new content will be overridden the old content. That's it. If the specified name is not present, means what will happen? This file will be created and the content will be stored inside this file. Okay, so if I use this write mode, the file pointer is at the beginning of the file. I hope you all understood about the write mode. I try to open the file1 text to file. Okay, so here inside the D drive, file1.text. So this is my content. God is great. Okay, now this file is exist already. So what will happen? This content will be overridden the old content. Am I correct? Okay. If there is no error inside the try block, means what will happen? The control jumps from the second line to the else block, fifth line. Isn't it? And here I have used the write lines inbuilt method. Okay, so with the help of this write lines, we can write the content to this file pointer object. Okay, so it contains the address of this path of the file, isn't it? And already we have this content. God is great. This file is exist inside the D drive. Okay, now after execute this program, what will happen? The control comes inside the else block and this content will be written inside the file1. The old content will be erased. Got it? And this statement will be printed on our console. for our message. Okay, now let me execute this one. Here file successfully updated. Okay, now I open the file 1 again. So actually the old content is God is great. Okay, the old content is overridden by the new content because I have used the write mode, isn't it? Now this file is already exist, isn't it? But now I create a new file, FWE. Inside the D drive, this file is not exist. Okay, FWE is not present inside this D drive. Now, what will happen? Let me execute the same again. So, what is the result? File successfully updated. How? This file is now only created and this content will be stored inside the newly created this text file. Is it clear? Now again I go to the D drive. So here is the newly created text file. Okay, now I open it. This content is placed here. Okay, so if this file is exist means the old content is overridden with the new content. If the specified file is not present means the file will be created and the content will be stored inside the file. Okay, I hope you all understood about the W mode. If there is any error is occurred inside the try block means this except block is responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block. Okay, this is the inbuilt exception class and this is the name of the variable. So the inbuilt error message will be stored inside this variable that will be printed on our console with the help of the print method. If there is no error means the else block will be executed. Okay, now the next one, A mode. So the name itself we know, append. Okay, so the specified file is not present means what will happen? Our content will be stored inside the newly created file. Okay, if the specified file is already present means what will happen? The old content is present and our new content will be added inside the file with the old content. That's why we can call it as append. This is my file path. Okay, file 432. This is present inside the D drive. Now I open file 432. Okay, good. Thank you. This is my old content. Okay, now I want to append a new content. Okay, health is wealth. Health is wealth. Okay, let me execute this one. File successfully updated. This is only the output message. Okay, now I open the same file 432. Now the old content is present and the new content is also present. Health is wealth. This is our old content and this is our new content. Okay, that's why we can call it as append mode. So the file pointer position is at the end of the file, not the beginning of the file. Okay, if we open any file using append mode, the file pointer position is at the end only. Okay, I hope you all understood about the difference between the write mode and the append mode. Okay, write mode means the old content will be overridden. Append mode means the old content is present and the new content will be added. Okay, and write mode means the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Okay, beginning of the file. If we use the append mode, the file pointer position is at the end of the file. Okay, the next one, X mode. Okay. So it causes some error. What type of error? If the specified file name is already present, it will generate the error. Okay. So this is my file. If this file is already present, means what will happen? The Xmode produces the error. Okay. Let me execute this one. Here, error number 17, file exists. This file is already present. That's why I got this error. Okay. So, the control jumps from the second line to the third line. And here, this is the inbuilt exception class, file exists error. Okay. This is one of the inbuilt exception class. And here, this is the variable. The inbuilt error message is stored here. That is printed here. Okay. Now, I give some new name. Apple. Okay. Now, this is not present in my D drive. Okay. Apple is not present. What will happen? This file will be created. Okay. So, this won't give any errors. Okay. Now, let me execute the same again. A file successfully created. Okay. I go and check inside the D drive Apple. Now, this file is created and the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. If we create any file with this mode, means the specified file name is exist, means it will give the error. The specified file name is not present only, this won't give any error. The file will be created smoothly. Okay. So now I have completed the write mode, append mode and X mode. Okay. So if we use the write mode, the old content is overridden. If we use the append mode, the old content is present and the new content will be added. For write mode, the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Okay, X mode also, the file pointer position is at the beginning of the file. Okay, but if we use the X mode, means what will happen? If the specified file name is already present, this mode creates the error. If the specified file is not present, means this file will be created. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.